Welcome to the Blockchain Brief. My name is Erick Pinos, and today we'll be looking at NKN, a new kind of network. The internet is great, but there's still many problems with it. Net neutrality was just repealed today. It went into effect, so now large companies are able to throttle, prioritize, and even block any online service that we currently have. Internet bandwidth isn't always effectively utilized, and centralized controllers also create targets for attack. Now, peer-to-peer networks aren't that much better because you can have untrusted nodes enter the system, and there's no economic incentive for people to create nodes. Both of these things are things that we know that blockchain takes care of. Enter NKN, a new kind of network. NKN is a network connectivity protocol and ecosystem for an open, decentralized, shared internet. They tokenize network resources so that you can earn tokens while providing and relaying bandwidth. It is one of the pillars of the blockchain internet infrastructure, where you have Bitcoin and Ethereum, basically decentralized computing, IPFS, Filecoin, and Sia decentralizing storage. NKN would come in and decentralize network routing and sending messages between different devices. NKN has come up with a decentralized data transmission network where every node is independent and self-organized. Coordination is decentralized, and the secure operation of NKN is handled through their consensus mechanism, which is called proof of relay. It coordinates and validates the transactions performed by each node. The token is used to incentivize users to upkeep a node and to relay messages received by those nodes to other neighboring nodes, thus passing messages along through the entire network. The token is also going to be used to incentivize users with extra bandwidth to sell that bandwidth to other users. NKN uses cellular automata-powered consensus. A cellular automata is a state machine with a collection of nodes, where each node has its own local rules about how it operates. Once a node changes state, it propagates that state to its neighboring nodes. It's only to its neighboring nodes. They then propagate that message back to its other neighboring nodes, and all these local interactions eventually propagate to create a agreed upon state amongst the entire network. This allows NKN to achieve consensus efficiently with a high fault tolerance. Proof of relay is that tokenization of network connectivity and data transmissions. It rewards participants for sharing their network connectivity and their bandwidth, which enhances the network connectivity and the bandwidth of the total network. Useful activities include staying online, expanding connections to other nodes that were previously unreachable, and providing the high speed and low latency relays. So the better your network connection is, or the better networking technology and hardware that you have, the more tokens that you can earn because you provide a greater network increase to the whole system. Nodes provide the workload. They show the proof of how much bandwidth they provided by adding a digital signature to whatever message is passed along. The team is full of researchers, and the CEO is Yanbo Li, who is also a co-founder of OnChain, of which the Neo founder, Daohong Fei, was the CEO of. So expect a lot of synergy between Neo and NKN. Their advisor, Whitfield Diffie, is not only the inventor of public key cryptography, but he's also the recipient of the 2015 Turing Award. That's a very intense team. There are some other projects that are doing something similar, creating a decentralized internet. Right Mesh, Orchid, and Skycoin are some of them. But I think with the team that NKN has here, definitely going to make a lot of progress in this space, possibly also with their relationships with Neo. Some concerns though, it is a very ambitious project what they're trying to do. It's very grand scale and it'll take a long time for that kind of thing to come to fruition. And also, as of now, there is no MVP, so it's entirely a wide period. The MVP just came out today. Congratulations to the NKN team. Literally during the filming of this video, the GitHub went live, so the source code is all on there. I was checking it out. So you can create a node, you can relay messages between different nodes. It's still experimental, so don't trust it with real networking stuff. They have a developer program that people can contribute to and continue testing things out. So that's really exciting to see. It comes at a very important time now that net neutrality is gone. We should be looking towards these decentralized services to continue preserving the free and open internet that we all desire and what it should be. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Blockchain Brief. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next review, please leave it in the comments below. We have a new website up now, theblockchainbrief.com. So join us on there, and we'll see you at the next review.